Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about Amazon Associate Program or Amazon Affiliate Marketing. Like any other affiliate program, the idea behind this program is very simple. Affiliate program are arrangements where online merchants pays off an affiliate for their marketing. In case of Amazon affiliate marketing, associates are paid when a referred user purchases a product from e-commerce giant within 24 hours. There is a win-win situation for everyone involved. Sellers get benefit from additional sale and visibility, while affiliates get additional income. Returns of affiliate are based on performance under the pay per scale, and therefore there is a best interest to optimize their website and content to drive sale. So if you are a seller apprehensive about affiliate marketing, you can be assured that it works. For affiliates, there is a great way to profit from burgeoning online retail marketplace. Amazon accounts for more than 40% of online purchases. So this retail giant is preferred partner. All that is left is for you to master Amazon affiliate marketing. So first of all, the most important thing, how does Amazon affiliate marketing program work? Affiliate redirects the users to Amazon, usually a product page, via an affiliate link. Redirected users purchases product from Amazon within 24 hours. Affiliate is paid a percentage of each sale within 24-hour period. That's all about its a simple way of working. So first of all, we will talk about why you should become an affiliate marketer for Amazon. So there are some valid reasons. First of all, it is easy to start. All you just need to do is sign up an account. Amazon might have take a while to approve your registration. However, once you are an Amazon associate, you can jump right in and start sharing affiliate links. And the reason number two, Amazon is a trustworthy platform. Amazon is the biggest online retail platform in the world. It is a trusted and well-known brand. Your website users or visitors will know exactly what your affiliate link redirects to and will not be hesitant to click that button. So credibility counts for a lot online, and if you are an affiliate, you know it very well. The reason number three is choices, and more choices. You will never have to worry about what you want to advertise. There are over 120 million products, yes, 120 million products being sold on Amazon, and you will never have trouble finding right product to advertise on your platform. Products are not the only things you can advertise as an affiliate, so you are spoiled for choice. We will look into your option as an affiliate later. So, and the next reason, 24 hours of profit. Remember when I said associate get paid for every product purchased by a consumer within 24 hours of clicking the affiliate link? Well, that is a good deal. What does this mean? If a customer clicks affiliate link for any product and purchases that product, and you get a percentage for sale. Great so far. It gets better. You get a cut for every other product that consumer purchases within 24 hours of clicking your link. If they are buying some other product, you get a percentage for that sale too. Maybe if a person is buying a moisturizer, maybe at the same time he is also purchasing a toothbrush, maybe he is also purchasing some food product. You will get paid for all those products. That's a very big plus. But at the same time, there are some negative points. The first one is it's a category dependent revenue. Commissions for some products and their categories are usually low. If you're running a blog talking about video games, for instance, I have some bad news for you. Physical copies of video games and video game console purchases from affiliate link will only get 1% of the sale. Not all the products are created equal when it comes to Amazon affiliate program, so make sure you read the detailed breakdown of commissions before embarking on your affiliate journey. So, the second point, you'll have to wait. You can only make money as in affiliate marketing if your website has good traffic in the first place. This is not a quick way to make money. If you have already an online platform, like you have some website, so you have some mobile app, you have some social, you are a social media handler with high traffic, this is a great opportunity to make some extra money. But if you don't, starting one from scratch requires a lot of time, a lot of effort, and definitely a lot of discipline. So these are some drawbacks. So uh, so now we will come to our most important section, that how to become an Amazon affiliate. This is a step-by-step guide. It's very simple. Actually, it's very simple. So first of all, enter your account information. You just simply go to Amazon affiliate marketing place, simply click on sign up, and you will get a form. I will show you in next point. So what you all need to do, just enter your account information. This is so straightforward, and you will have to enter all of your information, including your name, your address, your phone number. And remember one thing, what is the best thing about Amazon affiliate marketing? There is no jurisdiction. It doesn't matter in which country you are, where are you living right now, it doesn't matter. You can run Amazon affiliate program from every country. So you will get some type of form like this. Simply you have to put your name, your street address, your city, you have to choose your state, you have to put zip or postal code, and then finally you have to select your country. After that, after you have submitted your account information, yeah, you will be directed to the list of website or mobile apps you have planned to advertise for Amazon. You can enter up to 50 websites and mobile apps URL in total. So you will get a page like this. On the left side, you can put your websites. Maybe you have multiple websites, you can put over there. Or if you have mobile apps like URLs, you can put on the right side. You have to fill this information here. And the next step, once you have added all of your potential affiliate websites, you need to provide more information about them. You also need to create an associate store ID. usually the name of your website. It's better if you put it in the name of your website and highlight what kind of products you plan to advertise or promote. So before signing up Amazon account, you must have a plan. You should finalize the products first, what kind of product you want to advertise over there. So you have to fill this kind of page, like what is your preferred associate store ID. You must choose your website link over here. You can list all of your website, all of your mobile apps, and after that you can select which kind of what are the best topics describe your website, like about what topic your website is. You can simply choose like it's a book, it's a clothing, shoes, journey, like your computer and office, your digital downloads, electronics, health and beauty, and blah 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 blah. There are a lot of options over there. You can you have to fill all of this form once again to complete your profile. Now you need to convince Amazon that you can bring in the sales. Describe how you drive traffic to your website, how you use your online assets to generate income, and how you usually build links. You also need to tell Amazon your monthly traffic. You need to provide insights of your traffic to Amazon. So there will be a form like this. You just first of all you just need to provide them the source of your traffic. How do you bring, how do you drive traffic to your website? And you can fill all the details over here. How do you build your links, and if you have any unique users, or what is the number of those unique users, and you have to provide all the insights of your website. And after that, once you have entered all the necessary details, wait for an automated call from Amazon. You will receive a 4-digit PIN that you need to enter to verify your information you have provided so far. All that is left after is just to read the terms and conditions, and obviously you have to agree with the terms and conditions, and simply click on finish button. And now your account will be under review, and you have to wait for the approval of your account. Once your account will be approved, uh, you are ready to launch. You are ready to uh, uh, start your affiliate marketing on Amazon. So there are some uh, uh, information about Amazon commission. Uh, there are three types of Amazon commissions. It may be direct deposit. You can get a direct deposit if you provide Amazon with your banking information, your banking details. You need to earn at least $10 before Amazon will deposit the money. And the second way is the bank check. You can get a bank check from Amazon if you provide your mailing address, and the minimum payment for the check is larger. Actually, you need to earn at least $100, and it will cost you about $15 check processing fee. And the third thing is Amazon gift card. Amazon will send gift card to your primary email address, and the minimum amount for Amazon gift card is around $10. So what will be your strategy to do Amazon affiliate marketing? What I will suggest, first of all, choose your niche. Find your niche, in which niche you want to work, and after that keep creating content on your website or whatever the traffic source. Keep creating your contents regularly, and it will be best if you have a different medium, and and you are innovative with that. And don't forget about keyword search. If you are an affiliate, you can understand the importance of keyword search. And one last thing, uh, this this is a simple tip for you. What kind of if you have some platform which are banned on Amazon affiliate program, like it's about your website, it's about your mobile app. So Amazon will not allow you to do that if you are promoting some sexually explicit or obscene material. Amazon will not allow your website. And if you are promoting violence, or some, if your website or your app contain some violent material, so you will not be allowed on Amazon. And if you're promoting some false, deceptive, or defamatory material on your website or on your channel, so so don't I would suggest don't go to Amazon. And if you promote, or your website contain contents that is hateful, that's harassing, that's harmful, that's invasive some others property, it's maybe abusive, or in any kind of, it's if it is discriminatory, so Amazon will not allow you. And if you are promoting, or you are involved in some illegal activity, Amazon will not allow your website. And then finally, if you are violating any intellectual property right, and if your website, your channel, your app, it's getting some copyright claims or copyright strikes, you will not be eligible for that Amazon affiliate program. I hope this video will be helpful for you if you are trying to be an Amazon affiliate. So uh, thank you for watching my video. If you like this information, just hit the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click bell icon, so we'll get more of such informative videos. Thank you. See you next time with some more informative video.